Welcome to WordPress Daily, episode number 30, with your host, Tom Mullins. Today, we're going to look at Duplicate Post Plugin. Welcome, everyone, to episode number 30. I'm your host, Tom Mullins. I'm excited to be here today as we dive into all things WordPress. On today's show, we're going to take a look at duplicate posts. But before we do, let me tell you a little bit about the TechMerge Podcasting Network. So you can find out more information about this network at www.techmerge.net. You can also check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/TechMerge, on Twitter at TechMergeNet, and by searching for TechMerge on YouTube. And you can subscribe to this podcast everywhere great podcasts are found, the iTunes Store, the Google Play Store, by simply searching WordPress Daily. And if you'd like to contribute to us, you can do so by going to patreon.com/TechMerge. And any donation in any amount would truly help us continue the work that we're doing here at the TechMerge Podcasting Network, where we merge faith and technology. So today's episode, we're diving into duplicate post. As you can see, I've got it already loaded up here, and I'm going to do the installation. And this is much like a lot of our shows. We typically just install a plugin and try it out in real time. We don't spend a lot of time testing ahead of time. We want to give you the experience as if you're installing this plugin yourself, configuring it yourself, and getting it to work. That's really what our game plan is. We're looking for plugins that are easy, that are self-explanatory, that anyone should be able to configure and work very easily. And hopefully duplicate post is one of those. So we're going to hit the install button, which we've already done, and we're going to go ahead and activate it. So from what we can see here, this says copy posts of any type is what this post does, or this particular plugin. So I'm going to kind of go down here. I don't see it in the navigation system as a separate tab. So let's see if it is maybe put in under posts. And I don't see it under posts either. So let's see how we operate it. So we'll go to all posts. It could be under the individual post itself. So if I clone, okay. So that's a new feature. It's called clone this item. So the hello world post has been cloned, and then it looks like it actually brings up the new post, the duplicate of that post, as a draft. And allows you to modify it, do the changes that you want to do it, and then save it out under a different title or a different name or a different post. So that looks like the functionality of this particular plugin. So it looks like it's very simple, just for grins and giggles, just because I want to make sure that that's really the functionality and that that's not something done by another plugin or something like that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to deactivate duplicate post real quick, and then we're going to go back to posts, all posts, and see if that clone option is still there. And it shouldn't be, and it's not. So that added the clone option to all of the posts. Now I don't think it does anything with pages, but we'll reactivate it and give it a shot and see if it actually will duplicate pages. It says it duplicates posts. If it doesn't duplicate pages, I'm not going to be disappointed. But let's go over here and let's pull up a page. Pull up all pages. And wow, it even duplicates pages. It has the clone option right here. Or new draft, which is pretty awesome. So this plugin does exactly what it says it would do. It's very self-explanatory, very easy to do. We're going to say that this is definitely a must-have plugin for those that need the functionality of duplicating your pages or your posts very quickly. within WordPress. It's a pretty cool plugin, pretty easy, self-explanatory. Seems to operate with the most current version of WordPress and the Aveda theme, which is what we have running on our site. Thank you so much for watching episode number 30, where we dove into Duplicate Post Plugin. My name is Tom Mullins, signing off on another episode of WordPress Daily.